Parts 1 to 10 of this series covered price action, support and resistance, patterns, channels, trends, ranges, those sort of things. I'm now moving into technical indicators, and this video will be an introduction to technical indicators. Price action combined with indicators forms technical analysis. That's what technical analysis is. It's the analysis of historical price data through looking at the price action, the patterns, the behavior of price, and technical indicators. And technical indicators use price data to indicate certain things. So it's all about price. Technical analysis is all about price. Okay. Technical indicators. There are thousands, if not tens of thousands, of technical indicators when it comes to trading. Forex, stocks, commodities, whatever, technical indicators, there's so many of them. I'm going to group the indicators into three categories for this series. Number one is moving averages, which is my favorite technical indicator. It's very useful, and that's what I'll cover in the next video. Oscillators. So an oscillator, if you think of like a lie detector test, you know, the pin that moves up and down, that's an oscillator. It's oscillating. So there are indicators that oscillate. So moving averages, oscillators, and then overlays, which go over the chart. So I'm going to group indicators into these three, and I'll go through them in that order. We'll start with moving averages, we'll move into oscillators, and then overlays. I cannot cover every indicator. As mentioned, there are thousands of indicators. I'll cover the most popular, most common technical indicators. It's important really that you finish this course knowing how to use moving averages and knowing how to use a small handful of indicators. It's all about creating a foundation for you. So I'm giving you that foundation. So this is what a chart looks like with indicators. I still have my Japanese candlesticks. They're slightly hidden away by the indicators that are showing on the chart. But you can still see my Japanese candlesticks. You can see there's a downtrend here. So there's still the waves, the steps in the market of the downtrend, the swings, the lower lows, lower highs. That data is still there. But what I have on this chart is a number of lines. I have three purple lines here that are moving up and down and seem to be moving with price. I have a red line, a green line, and I have this oscillator down at the bottom here that's moving up and down. It all looks very overwhelming and very confusing, but these charts as a whole probably looked very overwhelming in the beginning. Japanese candlesticks probably looked very overwhelming, very complex before I taught you how to read Japanese candlesticks. So these indicators are not as difficult as they may look at first. I'm here to guide you through them. I will teach you how to use the indicators, and we'll go through one at a time. At the end of this series, you'll be able to look at this chart and understand what it's telling you by looking at the price data, the price action, and also the indicators. Okay, I'm excited for you. Let's get through these next few videos and I'll teach you all about technical indicators and how to use them in the Forex markets.